Are you over 50, 60, or even 70 and noticing your strength isn't what it used to be? Muscle loss is one of the biggest reasons many seniors struggle with weakness, fatigue, and even falls. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements or fancy powders to fight it. Today, I'll reveal an affordable superfood that helps stop muscle loss fast, rebuilds strength, and keeps your energy levels high at any age. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share the best way to eat it daily for maximum benefits. Did you know that after the age of 50, we lose around 1 to 2% of muscle every year if we don't take action? This condition is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the leading causes of frailty, low energy, and mobility problems in seniors. But here's the truth. Your muscles are never too old to grow. The right food, combined with light activity, can help you build muscle, regain balance, and even look and feel younger. And this powerhouse food I'm about to reveal is sitting right in most grocery stores for just a few dollars. The superfood I'm talking about is lentils. Yes, these tiny legumes are packed with plant-based protein, iron, magnesium, and fiber. A single cup of cooked lentils gives you about 18 grams of protein. That's nearly the same as eating 3 eggs, but at a fraction of the cost. What makes lentils incredible for seniors is their easy digestibility compared to heavy meats, their ability to support heart health, and their slow digesting carbs, which keep your energy steady all day. Here's why lentils are a game changer for stopping muscle loss. High protein content. Protein is the building block of muscle. Without it, your body breaks down muscle for energy. Lentils provide clean, powerful protein to support repair and growth, too. Rich in iron and magnesium, these minerals improve circulation and muscle contractions, helping you move with more strength and energy. Affordable and accessible. A bag of lentils costs less than a fast food meal, but it can feed you for days. Gut-friendly fiber. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, which is essential for muscle growth and overall wellness. Low in fat, high in energy. Unlike heavy meats, lentils won't weigh you down, making them perfect for seniors who want strength without sluggishness. Now let's talk about how to use lentils to fight muscle loss fast. Here are 3 easy ways to include them in your daily routine. Lentil soup. Cook red or green lentils with garlic, onions, and a little turmeric. This is warming, protein-rich, and super easy to digest. Lentil salad. Toss boiled lentils with cucumbers, tomatoes, olive oil, and lemon. A refreshing way to get protein and fiber in one plate. Lentil stew with vegetables. Combine lentils with carrots, spinach, or sweet potatoes for a nutrient-packed meal that boosts both muscle and joint health. Pro tip: pair lentils with brown rice or whole grain bread to create a complete protein, giving your body all the essential amino acids it needs to build muscle effectively. So here's the bottom line. If you're a senior who wants to stop muscle loss, boost strength, and feel more energized, don't overlook lentils. They're affordable, easy to cook, and scientifically proven to support muscle health at any age. Start by adding just 1 cup of lentils to your meals a few times a week, and you'll feel the difference in your energy, strength, and even mood. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried eating lentils regularly? Or is there another protein-rich food that works for you? Share it in the comments below, because your experience could inspire someone else to take action today. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more senior health tips, and don't forget to share this with a friend or family member who could benefit. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.